Another report is from Delhi riots. Delhi riots charge sheet filed by police, not in the names of Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam. The 17,500 page charge sheet is the operative part of the 2,692 page charge sheet and has been approved by both the central and the Delhi governments. The special branch of Delhi police on Wednesday filed a charge sheet in the Kakaduma court in which 15 accused were named in connection with the February riots in northeast Delhi. The charge sheet of the special branch has 15 accused, including former Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain. Apart from Tahir Hussain, Ishrat Jahan, Muhammad Parvez Ahmed, Muhammad Ilyas, Saifi Khalid, Miran Haidar, Safura Zargar, Saifur Rahman, Asif Iqbal Tanha, Shadab Ahmed, Natasha in the charge sheet filed under the Unlawful Activity Prevention Act UPA. Narwal Devangana Kalta, Taslim Ahmed, Salim Malik, Athar Khan. However, the names of Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam are not included in the charge sheet. Umar Khalid has been arrested 2 days ago. The charge sheet is 15,500 page in total. A total of 747 Delhi violence case. Police told the court, surprisingly, the names of Umar Khalid, who was arrested 2 days ago, is not the charge sheet. Umar Khalid is currently on a 10-day police remand. On the other hand, regarding the Sharjeel Imam, news kept coming in the media that he was involved in these riots, but his name is not in the charge sheet. Additional charge sheets will be filed now, so it's not possible to say who will be named next. The police charge sheet is already being criticized. The special branch has told the court that it has studied all the FIRs in East Delhi. Further charge sheet will be filed in the case in which more accused will be included. A total of 747 people have been called as witnesses in the Delhi violence case. Police told the court that 2,692 page charge sheet of about 17,000 page is the operative part of the charge sheet. The branch told the court, adding that it has got permission from both central and Delhi governments on the charge sheet.